I'm Kelsey Lambert, and I am the marketing liaison for J29 Creative. I actually once had a mentor tell me that relationships are everything. Probably the best advice, or what I try to do in just connecting with people, is building that trust right off the bat, asking questions, and listening before I just jump in and start saying what we're about and what we want to do for you. Tell me about yourself, or connecting with them on some sort of level, whether it's kids or whether they did something, over the weekend. Finding a commonality, finding a connection leads to that trust being built pretty quickly. Can build really great experiences that lead to good connections, good relationships. Yeah, trust is everything, but how do you build that trust? It's easy to build that when you ask questions and listen. Who are they gonna think of when they need a service? They're gonna think of you because you took the time. You took the time to get to know them. You took the time to stop in and say hey from time to time. And you didn't necessarily have a pitch or an intention when you were talking to them. Just, no, how's it going? Just wanted to see how you were today. How's your day going? How's your week? In this day and age of digital marketing, digital space, social media, there's not a whole lot of face-to-face interaction. It's a lot easier nowadays to chat somebody or email, and definitely you can build those relationships, but it's sort of a lost art sometimes, just going by or stopping in just to see somebody, just to see how their day is going. Just doing, just like a favor or simple things like that. That face-to-face interaction is still valued. Thank you guys. Those are my tips on building relationships and why they're important. And I'll see you next time.
If you ever want for anything to work, you got to try. You got to live like you dying in a minute. Take your time, use it wise. Dream higher than the ribbon in the sky. Don't got to take my advice,